Hi YouTubers, you're looking at a video review of the EK CoolStream PE single 120 and 240 dual radiators. Now these are obviously made by EK, and I've been on a binge with EK stuff lately because I'm pretty happy with their stuff for the most part. Now a lot of people say these radiators are pretty similar to the XSPC EK Series radiators. They look very similar with a square shroud. And in many ways they are. Performance, I can't tell you because these aren't installed yet. And I am not a professional reviewer, so I will not give you much insight on that. But let's begin the unboxing. Let's do the 120 first. Okay. The first thing we see is the hardware, and the radiator is bubble wrapped in, let's take it out. Okay, put the hardware aside. The radiator is wrapped in paper. Okay, and this is it. It's nice matte black finish. Let's clean that up. That's the bubble wrap. Nice thickness. There's a logo. Obviously the EK logo is be on here. Okay, let's unbox the other one. This is EK's dual. Okay. A little harder than I thought it was gonna be. Same hardware, and again wrapped in paper. Let's take this out. Okay, and here it is, the CoolStream PE logo and the ports. Now they cover it in a little plastic stopper, and of course obviously I'm going to remove them before I attach the fittings. Same matte finish and same thickness as the other one. Let's push this up. I'm gonna take a close-up in a second. Now here's a close-up of the 120mm radiator. Again, I'm showing you the matte black finish, which is nice. Here is the fin density, if you can see it. I'm going to try to move it around. Pretty busy actually. Again, this is the same square style, similar to the EK Series by XSPC. And I'm pretty sure you can take the shroud out and paint it a different color if you'd like to. But yep, this one came out perfect. No bent fins. Let's check out the one. I mean, not the one, the 240. Alright, now one thing to be aware of. The ports are actually a little closer to the middle than some radiators. And if you're playing a water cooled build and you would like these ports, say close to here, this is probably not the radiator to choose. So just to let you know, they're a little toward the middle. They're not located here or here. And it's not like some the other radiators where you can have multiple options for ports. There's only two, obviously, for each radiator. So it's unlike the Alpha Cool Nexus root line where it has multiple ports, which is kind of cool. I basically stuck to these because I wanted to keep it all EK branded for my loop. Now obviously you can use whatever radiators you like, doesn't really matter because performance is pretty similar on all ends. Now EK included these G1/4 threaded extenders for your fittings. Basically, EK says that these are absolutely needed, otherwise it's gonna leak around the fittings, and that's fine. I mean, if you don't like the threaded extenders, don't get this radiator. Now I'm gonna install some fittings and just show you what it looks like with fittings on. So here again with the monsoon rotaries. And that's it. Obviously my fittings match very well because they're both matte black. So it's the same color. They look good. Things do look good on this radiator. Obviously you can still see the extender, which is fine with me. Now if you have space constraints and you can't use the extender, do not buy this radiator. There you go. This is the 90-degree adapters. I'm probably gonna have to play with this for a little while because I still have not figured out my loop yet. And that's it. Just make sure this radiator fits your case. This is going into my compact splash, and this basically just barely clears the case. And that's it for my unboxing.